It's Misa Academy, and today I'm going to show you how I draw this forehead, and then I will shift to the eye and the other parts. First, I'm putting a base layer using the bigger brush and the powder. Then using the small brush, I'm going to put the second layer of this drawing of his face. As you can see, the second layer, using the large brush for the large places so that I can put shades over a large place. As you can see, and it's getting smoother because of using the large brush. Then I will continue the small brush to give it darker shades in accordance to the reference. Yeah, there you have it. Now I'm using Monozero, Tombow Monozero, to put the highlights. Most of the highlights, at the highlights we have details, small details, white details. And so Monozero saves the purpose of doing so. You can see I'm covering all of the places which are the lighter places, except for the places that are which are in the dark. Now using the general to put those eye lashes and blending stamp to blend that place so that to remove that rough texture from the pencil of general. Now I'm using 2B golden fish pencil Fabercastel to put shades or shadows at the bottoms or the sides of the highlights in regards to the direction of the light, as you can see, because light comes from the left, so we have to put the shades at the bottom and at the light to fit the reality in order to make this skin to look more realistic. There's some lines and some dots, so you have to be patient and slow in order to achieve this. Now I'm using the large brush to wash away the sad lines and keep on shifting from pencils and brushes and all that. Now I'm doing the ears. First of all, I'm putting the details. At first I did the indenting as we did at the top from the first video. So now I'm going to give the highlights of the ears as it should be from the reference, and now I'm using Monozero to do so. I hope you understand what I'm doing. It can save you in your drawing. And now I'm using Monozero to revive the highlight that were washed away while we passed the bigger brush. And I'm using Monozero to keep on doing the highlights for the other parts, because the shadow of these drawings, I mean the light, come from two sides. And for hard lighting, hard highlights, we're using the electric, then we fill the small shadows in the 2B Fabercastel Goldfish pencil. Then I use a bigger brush to wash away those sad lines from this pencil, like that. And for the darkest places, I'm using this carbon pencil. Carbon is as darkness like that of the charcoal, and control like that of the graphite. So it's good to use it for detailing dark places using charcoal pencils. Now I'm doing the eye. I'm using Fabercastel Pitt 14B to fill in the lines which demarcates where the eye starts and where it ends, and those two shades. Okay, I'm putting the shadows using the general and blush. General is one of the most smoothest charcoal pencil I've ever used in my life, and I'm using the powder. For here I'm using compressed powder, which is darker than the normal charcoal powder, and I'm putting the shadows right there, detailing using the carbon pencil. also highlighting using the electric and Monozero, some laser, bigger laser for the bigger place. Then I will have to use a white paint to make the highlight pop up, and detailing using the pencil until the eye looks more realistic. As going to the end of this video, I hope you have understood. Now we're using the electric Monozero and the pencils, shifting back and forth so to make sure every detail that is found in the reference is as is in the drawing. And there you have it. That is a hyper-realistic forehead and one eye. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe, share, and also gain something in your drawings. Thank you.